Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to translate a document in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my document in Microsoft Word and I'm going to show you how we can translate this document. First of all, we need to go to the review menu and then we're going to go to the language option here and then choose translate. Since we want to translate this document, I'm going to choose translate document. Alright, and then you can choose either auto detect or you can immediately choose the language, and I'm just going to choose auto detect language. And for example, I'm going to translate it to Indonesian and then just click on translate. And make sure you have internet connection to translate your document because translation need internet connection. Okay, and this is the result. This is the Indonesian translation of this document. Okay guys, and that's all the way to translate a document in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!